Hey, what's up, guys? We're back with another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can you can change your ringtone into a song. So first you have to go up here, change it, go to settings, then go over here and go to ringtone. Now go be here. And that's when go to add from phone. And actually, sorry guys, you have to download this app. I'm not sponsored, by the way. It's called hold on. So yeah, download this app called Go Music. That's an add and go to that app. Wait for it. Go here. Go and that's when go search download music. For me, my favorite song is That's My Lambo. This one. No, wait. That's gonna be copyright. So search that. That's then download it to go to library. Go to download. Actually, no, don't go to download. Just go over here, and there's a plus sign over here, and it goes over here to music that you've listened to. And hold on, I need to find it first. This one. That's it. Click on it, and it actually goes here. That's when you go over here, just go up there, go to settings. Yeah, do the same thing I did before. I'm a little sick today, and it's the first day of summer for me. Search it up. How come my internet's low? It doesn't go here.
You guys are good. Well, we are the #1 motorcycle insurer in the country. Wait, you have a real motorcycle? And real insurance with 24-hour customer.
That's when it'll be up here, and click on it, and that's how you do your ringtone. So guys, subscribe if you want more. Actually, like if you want more. Subscribe to join our team, and see you guys in the next video. Peace.